There's two ways of marking up this 45-degree branch. You can either mark it up in eighths or sixteenths. I like doing it in sixteenths just because you end up getting a more accurate, layout and a better cut. And you can see I already have them numbered here. It goes from 0 and a very center bottom line, that's 8. And it's basically a mirror image on the other end. So now that we got all our dimensions marked up on all our 16 lines here, you want to, kind of place this, try to line them up as best as you can. Patiently mark our lines. The cleaner you can mark this up, the better your cut's gonna end up. The last thing I want to do after all this work is lose our line. We're gonna go ahead and start cutting this. Just gonna use a traditional cutting torch. Yeah. Once we got it all cleaned up and grinded up, we're gonna go ahead and cut it, somewhere around here. And we're actually gonna fit it up in the center of this piece over here. So, we got it sitting down, got our center line marked up. How's the back look? Pretty straight too?
Looks pretty good.
Okay, this is gonna be our cutout onto this piece here. All right, so we got it all center punched out. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it out. And when I go to cut, guys, I'm gonna cut slightly inside of the line. So when I go to grind and clean it up, I don't make the opening bigger. So we got our lateral already spaced out here. We're using a 5/32 spacer. And Brian right here is gonna go ahead and tack it up for us. This tack should hold it up, keep it spaced out. I'm gonna go ahead and remove all these spacers for now. I'm gonna have to pull all these out before we put another tack in. And it looks like we're nice and level, so I'm gonna go ahead and tack the backside. All right, guys, so there you have it. Showed you guys how to lay out, cut, and fit this 45-degree lateral on this 12-inch standard wall pipe. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys on the next one.